Hello, beautiful people. I am not even going to waste your time. We are going to jump right into this hair straightening tutorial. I used the Redken All Soft Shampoo and Conditioner, and I shampooed twice. And then I used the Deeper Than Hair Satin Shield Serum, and I only used a quarter size amount. And this is the only other product I used in my hair. I have about a 3B, 3C curl pattern for anyone who is wondering. After sectioning off my hair, I used a flat paddle brush and a blow dryer set to the highest heat setting, and I just blow dried my hair downward. Blow drying my hair was a task, but it only took me about 17 to 20 minutes. You can tell at the top I kind of got a little lazy, but for me, as long as my hair was completely dry, that was the most important part for me. The blow drying is one of the most important parts, so don't be like me. Do your hair in the beginning of the day. Don't do it at the end of the day, because you will be tired and you will want to go to bed. But this is my hair. It's big, it's beautiful. I used a Lunata flat iron. I will link it all below. And the heat setting that I used was 450 degrees Fahrenheit. The amount of times I would pass the flat iron through my hair was 1 to 2 times. Most of the times it was just 1, and I would go at a slow, even pace. My hair is thick and it's considered quote unquote coarse. And so 450 degrees for me isn't scary or life-threatening. I rather pass the flat iron once versus 3 to 4 times with a lower heat setting. But yeah, so now you will see me point cutting my ends. So what I was doing was pretty much specifically chopping off, I use the word chopping, any split ends or fairy knots I saw in my hair, because when I cut my hair, I didn't want to take off too much. I just wanted to take off just enough. And here I am pressing out the crown of my head with a Baby Bliss flat iron. She is also set at 450 degrees, and again, 1 to 2 passes, mostly just 1. I tap the roots as well. All right, now that we finished pressing out our hair, let me just do a quick switch. I am wearing a white t-shirt, courtesy of my sweet loving husband, so that way I can see my ends more clearly, because I know I am due for a trim. I love the sheen of my hair right now, but I can tell the ends need some TLC. And so what I do is I hold my hair out 90 degrees from my head, and I just pinch the ends. Whatever is after my fingers is getting snipped. I'm okay with losing it. It's not that much. It's about maybe 1.5 inches. And just so you guys can see what I'm talking about, this is a comparison to the opposite side that I haven't trimmed yet or cut yet. And so I just repeat this step. I just comb everything out to the side. I hold it, I pinch, I bring it down, I inspect, and then I cut. Then I run my hands through to check the length based on feel. And this is an easy way to check balance for your hair. So I do the inner, the outer, and then after I do all of that, y'all ladies know it's time to wrap the hair, especially if you're doing your hair at night. You're ready to wrap that thing with a quickness and go to bed. And that, ladies, is my hair tutorial. It's not much different than anything else you might see on YouTube. I just wanted to share with you guys my process, since I hadn't straightened my hair since 2018. And so thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe. Let me know, is your hair routine similar to mine, or is it a little different? Let me know. You are beautiful, you are brilliant, and there is nothing you can do to separate yourself from God's love. And don't you ever, ever, ever let anyone dim your light. Until next time, I love you guys. Peace.